Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the JVC unit supports Bluetooth and that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. This avoids wasted steps. Next, remove old pairings on the phone so the head unit can discover it cleanly. With the ignition at ACC, power the head unit and open its Bluetooth or phone menu. This puts the stereo into pairing mode. Once the JVC screen shows pair or flashes a device name, move immediately to your phone's Bluetooth list to find that exact JVC entry and tap. Once you tap the JVC device on your phone, watch for a PIN prompt. Confirm the code shown on both screens because a matching PIN secures the link. After acceptance, Android or iPhone will ask permissions. Grant call and media access so you get caller ID and music. Make sure the head unit shows a connected icon or the phone's name. That visual confirms A2DP and HFP services are active. If you plan to use voice dialing, enable phonebook sync so names appear during. You finish by testing both music and calls. Play a track, then place a quick call to verify microphone and speaker routing. Make sure the phone's media output is set to the JVC unit and that both device volumes are up, because muted phone or head unit often looks like a failed pairing. If the connection fails, delete the pairing on both phone and head unit, reboot your phone, and repeat pairing. This clears cached profiles and usually fixes stubborn Bluetooth issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.